Hello everyone, welcome to Calla Shoes YouTube channel. I am Vanessa and I have my own YouTube channel, The Most Comfortable Heels, and together with Calla Shoes, I'm going to give you some very useful heels tips that you can implement in your life in order to have a better and more comfortable heels experience. So let's get started. The right shoe size is the key to comfort. Whenever you're about to buy a new pair of shoes, the best thing you could do is measure your feet from the length and also measure your feet from the width and compare your measurements to the Calla Shoes chart, and I can guarantee you that you'll find your most comfortable shoe size. Make sure the shoes you buy have a soft material. You want to make sure that the material feels soft to your skin. The outer material will always look good, but also look at the inner material. Is it made of good quality leather or good quality materials? Does the edging feel comfortable? Because if the edging is not comfortable, your skin will cut into this part. It will feel very uncomfortable. One of the most important things is to really feel. If it doesn't feel good, don't do it. Know what heel height you can handle. If you feel a lot of pressure on the ball of your feet, underneath the ball of your feet, it's an indication that the heels you're wearing are too high. Listen to your feet, listen to your body. Lower that heel height. If you are not sure what exact heel height you can handle, the best thing you can do is start off with heels that are like 3 inches. Those type of heels are a good way to start and have a feeling if the heels are comfortable for you. If the 3 inches are uncomfortable for you and you feel pain at the ball of your feet, lower that heel height with a 1/2 inch until you can find that comfortable heel height for you. And trust me, you'll have a better heels experience. Pick heels with padded insoles. So the next thing I find very important is padded insoles. If you wear heels and you have a specific place on your feet that hurts, let's say you are prone to have a lot of pain at the ball of your feet, the best thing you could do, as I said before, is lower that heel height. But if you want to have extra comfort, you could add an insole at the places where you feel a little bit of discomfort. But with Calla Shoes, that's not necessary because it already has a padded insole. It has an insole at the arch of your feet. So if you have flat feet, it will give you some support at the arch of your feet, and it has a nice cushion work at the ball of your feet. But if you need to have something extra, don't forget, just use an extra insole. Opt for block heels instead of stilettos. Stilettos, they will give you that elegant touch to the look that you were going for. But block heels are the type of heels you can balance on just by standing. With stilettos, they can create an imbalance in your walk. Just go for block heels. They are so comfortable. And if you don't like block heels, you don't have to wear them. But try it out. At this point, if you've only worn stilettos, just try block heels. It will definitely give you the same, fashionista aesthetic, but you'll feel a lot more comfortable. Do your shoe shopping at the end of your day. When the shoe stores are opening back again, I'm going to give you a tip whenever you go shoe shopping. Make sure you do that at the end of your day, because at the end of your day, your feet has a little bit swollen, become a little bit thicker than in the morning. It's like when you wake up, right? You have a flatter stomach, you look at yourself in the mirror, you're like, woo! But at the end of the day, it doesn't look that flat as in the morning. I don't know if you have that, but I have that. That's the same thing with your feet. Like in the morning, it's like a lot narrower, and at the end of the day, it's a little bit more wider and a little bit more swollen. And that's the best time to buy heels or to try out heels. So if you order heels, the best time to try them out is in the afternoon at the end of the day. So that's the best time to try on your heels. Take breaks from wearing heels. If you wear heels every single day, it will be very damaging for your health. Remember that whenever you wear heels and you had a comfortable heels experience, it's all good. But do not forget to take a break. So these are the basic tips in order to have a very comfortable heels experience. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so happy that you tuned in. I hope this video is very useful and very insightful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe and even hit your notification bell to see a lot more new videos. And if you have questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to stay safe. Thank you so much.